Silent cerebrovascular lesions can cause various functional impairments and cognitive deficits. However, the distinct effects of different types of lesions on cognitive performance remain unclear. Using both neuropsychological tests and multi-sequence MRI scans, we can assess whether various types of cerebrovascular lesions are differentially associated with deficits in specific cognitive domains. Demonstrating the study procedures will be done by Junling, my research officer, and Tracy Lam, my technical officer.
To set up a symbol digit modalities test, pair 1 to 9 digits in numeric order with 9 unassociated symbols. A battery of structured neuropsychological tests were administered, and 2 of them were chosen for demonstration. Before starting the test, instruct the participant to fill in the blank with the correctly paired digit below each symbol. Allow the participant to fill in the first 10 blanks as practice, pointing out any errors during the practice stage and encouraging the participant to be correct. When the participant is ready, start the test, encouraging the participant to fill in the blanks as quickly and accurately as possible in 90 seconds. When the participant has finished or the time has run out, record the number of correct responses and restart the test, this time having the participant provide the correct